Let us now talk about adding team members to your account. So for that, once again, we come back to our profiles. We go to my staff here, and in my staff you will find an option to add employees. Now over here you write the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number. Email is important. If you give the phone number as well, the two-factor authentication would send SMS as well in addition to the email. If they have a calendar, they can add a calendar, enable signatures. Then you have the option for user permission. So you can give them specific accesses to the different sections that you want. This will give you a very quick view of the different features that GoHighLevel has. Along with user role, you want to give them the admin role or the user role, call and voicemail settings. We'll talk about this later. User availability, meeting location. So this is how basically you create a new user to your account. So if you do not want to give the entire access to to your team member, somebody who is a designer, somebody who is building landing pages, so you might not want to give them the access to the entire account. So you only give them specific accesses depending on the roles that they have.